In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho with your Shopify store. This guide is perfect for those who want to streamline their e-commerce operations by connecting their Shopify store with Zoho CRM, ensuring seamless data management between the two platforms. First, let's start by visiting Shopify. If you're not familiar, Shopify is one of the top e-commerce platforms available, providing a user-friendly interface for managing your online store. If you haven't yet, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. If it's your first time, just head over to shopify.com and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in your Shopify dashboard, you'll notice various options and tools. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your store, from products and orders to analytics. Now focus your attention on navigating to the Shopify App Store. It's here where you will be able to find just about any app or integration you can imagine, designed to enhance your store's efficiency and reach. Go ahead and find the search bar at the top of the page. In this search bar, type in Zoho integration. As you begin typing, you should see suggestions pop up, but go ahead and type out the full phrase to make sure you're directed to the right app. Once you've entered your search term, press enter, and Shopify will present you with a list of relevant results. Look through the results to find the Zoho integration app. The exact placement might vary, but usually it's among the top options due to its popularity. Click on the app to see more details about it. Here, you'll get a comprehensive overview of what this app can do for your store. The description typically includes features, benefits, and user reviews. It's always a good idea to read through this to understand exactly how this integration can support your business needs. After reviewing these details and confirming it's the right fit for your e-commerce operations, the next step is installing the app. You should see an Install button prominently displayed on the app's page. Please note that installing third-party apps may sometimes require additional permissions, so you may want to review any alerts or notifications that pop up during this process to ensure you're comfortable with them. After you click Install, follow any additional on-screen instructions that appear to complete the process. This usually entails a few confirmation clicks, and before you know it, your Shopify store will be integrated with Zoho. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoho with your Shopify store. With this setup, you can now seamlessly sync customer data, manage your e-commerce operations more efficiently, and focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy selling!